Now let us see the second problem from the exercise. This is just now I said accounting equation consists of three terms: assets equal to capital plus liabilities. This side capital we can mention as it is. Liabilities here may be creditors. Creditors in the sense those who have given us some benefits. நமக்கு கடன் கொடுத்தவங்க. From this sum we can collect the different types of assets. One, cash. Other one, bank. The third one, stock. Stock. Fourth one, furniture. How to find this? Raj started business with cash. Therefore, cash is an item on the asset side. When the cash is invested into the business, it is called capital. So, for the first one, we require cash capital. Open the bank account with deposits. So, cash goes out, it comes into the bank. Cash and the bank are the two terms. Then, bought goods from Hari on credit. When the goods are coming in stock and on credit basis, it is the creditor. And the next one, D. Raj withdrew cash for personal use. This is cash related to cash and capital. Bought furniture by using debit card. Furniture, and when you use a debit card, the bank is paying. And F, sold goods to Murugan and cash received. Stock, cash received, therefore cash. G, money withdrawn from bank for office use. When money is withdrawn for office use, cash comes in and from the bank the money is going out. So, of course, I should write the name of the transaction here, but for want of space, I did not write it, I am giving only the answer for this. So, A subdivision. Raj started business with the cash. 40,000. You put under cash 40,000. Since the amount is invested into the business, it is capital, so 40,000. Then again, B, opened bank account with a deposit of. When bank account is opened, the cash goes out. When something comes in, it is a plus. When something goes out, it is minus. When account is opened, from cash is going from us and it comes into the bank. Right, it is comes into the bank plus cash is going out, therefore it is minus. C, bought goods from Hari on credit. When goods are bought, it is called stock. It increases the stock, amount of stock. Therefore, it is 12,000 for stock. It is 12,000. Since it is bought on credit basis, this is equal to creditor 12,000. Then after C, D. D, it is, what is D? Raj withdrew cash for personal use. 10,000, 1,000. 1,000 rupees cash. Cash. It reduces automatically the capital also. And bought furniture by using debit card. Bought furniture by using debit card. Furniture 10,000. 10,000 using debit card, and therefore it reduces the balance in bank minus 10,000. And F, sold goods to Murugan and cash received. So when goods are sold, cash is received and it increases the cash, that is plus 6,000, and it will increase the stock, decrease the stock, therefore minus 6,000. Money withdrawn from bank for office use. Money withdrawn from bank for office use. 1,000. So in the bank minus 1,000, and from the bank it is minus, for office use the cash comes in, therefore it is plus. These are all the entries given. Once again repeat the same. Raj started business with the cash. When business is started, cash 40,000 comes in and it is called the capital. Therefore cash 40,000, capital 40,000. Opened the bank account with a deposit of 30,000. Deposit of 30,000. It is the amount given in the sum. So we corrected 30,000. So the cash goes out. When we start the bank account by depositing 30,000, the 30,000 will go away, go to the bank. It will reduce our balance, the cash in hand, therefore minus 30. It will go to the bank, it will increase the balance, therefore plus 30. Okay. Then C division. Bought goods from Hari on credit. Bought goods. When we buy goods, the goods will come to us. We receive the goods. It is a plus. We call the goods as a stock here. It is a plus 2,000. And at the same time, it is bought on credit basis. And who is the creditor? Who is the creditor? Therefore, the creditor will 12,000. Hari is the creditor. Raj withdrew cash for personal use. Rupees 1,000. 1,000 rupees he has withdrawn. So, for personal use. So, in the case the amount of cash will decrease and automatically the capital also will decrease. When he takes 1,000 rupees from the business. Then next one, bought furniture by using debit card. Bought furniture by using debit card, 10,000. When furniture is purchased, the furniture will come in, it is a plus. At the same time we are paying through debit card, that is through debit card, credit card, check, etc. Who is paying the amount? The bank is paying the amount. Therefore, for bank it is minus. Sold goods to Murugan and cash received. When we sell goods, when we buy goods, it will increase the stock. When we sell goods, it will decrease the stock. Therefore, stock minus 6,000. At the same time, cash is received. Therefore, plus 6,000. The next item, money withdrawn from bank for office use. We should remember very carefully, when the money is withdrawn from the bank or from business, for personal use it is drawing. So, it decreases either cash or bank and capital. Once we invest the money, நம்ம பணம் போட்டிருக்கோம், பணத்தை போட்டோம்னா போட்ட பணத்துலேருந்து நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்போ நம்ம போட்ட பணம் குறையும் இல்லையா? ஸோ அதை இட் வில் டிக்ரீஸ் த கேபிட்டல். தட்ஸ் வாட் வி ஹவ் டன். It will decrease the capital D for personal use. Bought furniture by using debit card. When we use any mode of transaction connected with the bank, we must be very careful in writing it. It will reduce the balance in the bank account. So, bank minus 10,000 and the furniture we receive, we are not paying, therefore 10,000. The next one, F, sold to Murugan and the cash received. When you sell the goods, automatically the goods will decrease. The stock will be reduced. Therefore, this stock minus 6,000 and on sales 6,000 is received as cash. Therefore, it is the cash plus 6,000. And the next one, money withdrawn from bank for office use, 1,000. Okay, when money is withdrawn from bank, the bank balance will decrease, therefore minus. It will come to the business, therefore it is a plus. All these explanations are given. Now we can close the account. How to close it? You can find this is an accounting equation and therefore both the sides must be equal. 40,000, right hand side 40,000. Other items are supposed to be 0. Then next item, both the sides must be equal. How is it possible? This bank 30,000 and a cash 30,000. that is when it is deposited. So plus 30 minus 30, 0. So left hand side 0 and right hand side also will be 0. When there is no number, we can put 0. For the third one, the goods are sold or goods are purchased on credit basis. So for that, this stock will increase. When we buy the goods, we will receive the goods and therefore it will be increased, therefore plus. And the creditor is also a plus because on loan basis we go, therefore creditor's amount 12,000 will also be plus. The rest of the columns we can put 0. Then the next one, when money is drawn for personal use, the cash will decrease. At the same time, the amount invested into the business also will decrease. Just now I sold. ஒரு 5 lakhs போட்டு பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறேன், அதில் 1 lakh நீ எடுத்துட்ட அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் கேஷும் குறைஞ்சிடும். The amount of capital also will decrease. So in that, cash minus 1000 and the capital minus 1000, for the rest we can put 0. Then the next item, E. Furniture purchased by using debit card. Furniture purchased. When furniture is bought, furniture comes in, furniture namak kedaikum, therefore it is a plus. At the same time, using debit card we have paid for it, therefore from the bank balance the amount will decrease, therefore bank minus 10,000. Other items are zeros. Then the F item, 6,000 rupees, goods sold for rupees 6,000 rupees and the cash received. When we sell the goods, we will have to give the goods கொடுக்கணும். அப்போ therefore the stock will reduce and we have received the cash, therefore cash will be plus. So plus 6,000 minus 6,000, 0, and right hand side also 0. For rest of the items, you put 0. And the last item, amount drawn for office use, 1,000 minus 1,000, so amount drawn for office use from bank, therefore from the bank balance will reduce and the office will receive the cash, it is a plus. 1,000 minus 1,000, 0, left hand side 0, right hand side 0, therefore other items are all zeros. What we should do in it? For each and after each and every item, we should put the total. So here, 40,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 40,000 plus 0. Then after the second transaction, what is the position now? 40,000 minus 30,000. Here nothing and therefore we have written as it is. Here there is some other number. 40,000 minus 10,000, 30,000. It is 10,000. 0 plus 30,000, 30,000. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 40,000 plus 0, 40,000. 0 plus 0, 0. In each and every step you can check whether you are getting the equal answer on both the sides. Left hand side 10 plus 30, 40,000. Right hand side 40,000. Then you go to the next transaction. This is 10,000. If you add these two here, then 0. Find the total now on the right hand side. 40,000 plus 0, 40,000. 0 plus 12,000, 12,000. Yes, now we can find the next date. Like this we must add and write, add and write, add and write for every step. This is 10,000 minus 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. 30,000 plus 0, 30,000. 12,000 plus 0, 12,000. 0 plus 0, 0. 40,000 minus 1,000, 39,000. 12,000 plus 0, 12,000. Once again we should add these two. We should add and write, add and write, add and write. Total பண்ணி எழுதிட்டே இருக்க வேண்டியதுதான். Here 12,000 plus 0, 12,000. 39,000 plus 0, 39,000. 0 plus 10,000, 10,000. 12,000 plus 0, 12,000. 30,000 minus 10,000, 20,000. 9,000 plus 0, 9,000. Once again we can add. $9,000 plus 6,000, 15,000. 20,000 plus 0, 20,000. 12,000 minus 6,000, 6,000. 10,000 plus 0, 10,000. 39,000 plus 0, 39,000. 12,000 plus 0, 12,000. Every step you can check whether the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. 15 plus 20, 35, 41, 51. 39,000 plus 12,000, 51,000. And once again you can do the last step. 15,000 plus 1,000, 16,000. 20,000 minus 1,000, 19,000. 6,000 plus 0, 6,000. 10,000 plus 0, 10,000. 39,000 plus 0, 39,000. 12,000 plus 0, 12,000. You can add now and find right hand side 51,000, left hand side 35, 41, 51,000. So left hand side 51,000, right hand side 51,000. So the accounting equation is correct. So this is the first sum I have worked out. Don't worry, don't feel it difficult. Only one sum I have taught. There are 5 more sums here to be taught on this type. Okay, don't worry. We will see it in the next class. Thank you.